Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a BCom student under KUD, Karnataka University, this video is specially for you. In this series, I will be covering the commercial arithmetic syllabus prescribed by KUD chapter by chapter and in an exam-oriented way. Have you ever looked at a huge calculation and thought there has to be an easier way? Well, before calculators and smartphones existed, people solved complex multiplication, division, powers, and roots much faster using one powerful mathematical concept called logarithms. Let's begin with the first chapter called Logarithms. And this video is about the meaning of logarithms. Don't worry if you have never studied logarithms before. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what a logarithm is, how it is related to exponents, and why this concept is important for solving future problems. Here, logarithm is inverse of exponents. So the meaning says a logarithm is the exponent to which a base must be raised to obtain a given number. The general form of exponent is a raised to the power of x is equals to n. So here a is the base raised to x. So x is the exponent or the power, and the answer what you get, the result is called n. So this is a exponent form. So the logarithm is the inverse of exponents. So we write it in log to the base a of n equals to x. It means to what power must a be raised to get n. Let's understand this with the help of an example. So 10 raised to the power of 2. The answer what you get is 100. 10 is the base, 2 is the power or the exponent, and result is 100. The logarithmic form of the same statement is log to the base 10 of 100 is equals to 2. So, exponents tell us the result of raising a number to the power, while logarithms tell us what the power is. That's why we say logarithms are the inverse of exponents. So remember this simple meaning. A logarithm is the exponent to which a base must be raised to produce a given number. Once you understand the relationship between exponents and logarithms, solving logarithmic problems becomes much easier. This is part 1 of logarithmic chapter. In the next video, we will learn the laws of exponents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your classmates, friends, or your siblings, and subscribe to Commerce Made Easy by Jennifer. Thank you for watching.